So the moral of the story is that you get all of this great stuff for under $25. That's insane.
Listen,
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting video for you guys. I'm coming at you guys with another Amazon review. Today I'm going to be reviewing a Amazon canvas wig head. If you don't know what a wig head is, let's just get short, sweet, straight to the point. This is your traditional foam wig head. It comes in one standard size really, and you can get these at any local beauty supply store. And if you're a big head girl like me, you have noticed that if you use these generic wig heads, your wigs come out way too small. So we don't use those, right? But I was sent this wig head by a company on Amazon. It is gorgeous. It is freaking gorgeous. To get this with all the accessories, listen to this, y'all. It's only $24.99. Now, disclaimer, this wig head was sent to me for a review, but all of my opinions are my own. It is the 22-inch size canvas head for wig making, and it has a really nice material to it. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels sturdy, but it's not super heavy. It has the hole here at the bottom so that your wig stand can attach to it. And it also comes with this. And basically what this does is it sticks to the bottom of the wig like this, and you can go ahead and attach it to a surface and make your wig that way, if that makes sense. I hope you guys can kind of get the vibe I was going for. It came with one of these, which I thought was really handy, because normally you just get the wig head, you don't get really any extras with it. So this one came with this. And it also came with a bunch. Literally, when I tell you guys this thing came with so many goodies, it's really a wig making starter pack. So let me show you guys exactly everything that came with it. So it came with some thread. If you're like me and you go through a lot of thread, this is going to be your best friend. You could always use some extra weave thread. So it came with this. It also came with T-pins. If you guys can see, this is just a package of T-pins, and you're going to use these, you know, to hold your wigs down and, you know, pin stuff down to the wig head itself to make your wig making process a little bit easier. So I love these. You could never have too many of these, and normally the wig heads that you can get on Amazon come with a pack of these. Then it came with this is a weaving cap. A lot of wig companies put these in their boxes, and this kind of just like keeps your hair nice and flat, but I don't like to use these under my wigs because it's black. I like to use something that's like skin colored, like I have one today and you can't really see. But yeah, it came with this if you're interested in that. It also came with two of these little clips here, and I love these. You guys see me use these type of clips in my makeup tutorials when I'm trying to like get my hair out of my face. So I love these, and I love that it came with this, because these also come in handy when you're making wigs to kind of, you know, keep your frontal out of the way. And it also came with an actual wig like cap. So these are almost the exact same caps that I use when I make my wigs. It's a very similar mesh cap like this. It stretches pretty good, and it has these extra drawstrings in the back to tighten it if you need to. So I thought it was a really nice touch that it came with one of these, because this set literally gives you every single thing that you need to get started. You don't have to buy a wig stand. You don't have to buy anything. It comes with all of the essentials. I just want to tell you guys a little bit about the specs about this so that you guys know like what you're getting if you do decide to go buy this, which I definitely recommend that you guys go get one of these. Like most things on Amazon, you can get this wig head and all of the accessories sent to you in 2 days. I got mine super duper quick, and this is a 22-inch poly canvas head. And it comes in this color. It comes in like an orange. It comes in yellow, blue, green. And this wig head is literally the perfect thing that I needed. Now, you guys are probably like, girl, you probably already have one of these. Like, why did you get this one? Well, my previous wig head, which I will bring into the shot so that I can kind of compare these for you. This is my other one, and this one is actually a 22.5 size wig head, and this one is the 22. So as you guys can see, this one on the right or your left looks much bigger than this one, and I've been finding that when I make wigs with this one, they come out way too big and I get a big lump in the back of my wigs, much like you see on this one. Like the wig kind of, the head kind of swoops out at the back like a cashew head, and I could see that in my wigs when I make them, and I hate it. So I'm gonna have to lay this wig head to rest. I never reviewed it on my channel, so you guys don't really need to know about it, but this is what this one looks like, and this is what the new one looks like, and I definitely think this one is going to work out much better for me. I will keep you guys updated about whether it's the right size, but when I measured the circumference of my head, it was 22 inches, but I thought that because whenever I order wigs that are 22-inch in size circumference, they're always too small for me. So I thought maybe when I'm making my own wigs, I should get the bigger one, and that ended up being a fail. So I just got my actual size. So this actually came out really, really handy that this company wanted to work with me, and it's bomb. It's literally bomb. So I could literally take this one off of my stand and put this one right onto it, and we are ready to go. Okay, so if you guys are on the market for an affordable poly canvas wig head, this one seems really, really durable. It has a nice material. It doesn't have like any strong chemical smells or anything like that. It comes with a ton of stuff. I already went through and showed you guys everything that it came with, and I hope that's like inspiring for you guys, because I definitely think you guys should check this out and look into it if you don't have one of these already. I prefer to use these than the normal foam ones because they just come out a lot better when your wigs are measured to your head. And I think Miss Rosh Posh, y'all know she's the wig making queen, and she uses a wig head that's measured exactly for her head circumference. So if you're having issues with your wigs fitting properly, definitely take a look at one of these and make sure you're getting the right size. I believe it comes in 22, 23, and 24, but I will have all the information down in the description box below. And I think for the price, you really cannot beat this wig head, and the color is my aesthetic. It's pink. Like, everybody knows my favorite color is pink. You could see it everywhere in my room. Okay, so definitely go check this out. I will be making a wig with this wig head, so let me know if you guys want to see a wig making tutorial and dyeing process very similar to, you know, the videos that Miss Rosh Posh does. I definitely want to get back into my hair content, so just know a hair video is coming. If you guys want it, you gotta let me know in the comments down below. So overall, I think I covered everything that I wanted to cover in this video. Go check this wig head out, okay? Because I needed one, and this company so happened to want to work with me, so it was the perfect marriage. You definitely should check out this seller. I'll have the name on the screen and all the information in the description box below. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.